Let's see how to set different notification tones for different apps on Realme phone. Now choose the app for which you want to set a different notification sound. Tap and hold the app for 2 seconds. Tap to manage notifications. Here you will see different notification categories. Select any notification category. Tap Ring. Now select the notification sound you like from the list. You can follow the same steps for other apps to set a different notification sound for each. Choose a different notification sound. Now you will be able to hear different notification tones from different apps.